start by screwing the casters into the feet. The long edge highlights the front of the desk and the short edge highlights the back. We're now going to attach the leg to the feet. We turn that upside down. And there are 4 holes which we are going to screw. And then if we repeat for the second leg. The metal facing inwards. And then we attach the bar to both the legs. And now we're going to attach the back bar to the legs via the 4 screws provided. And repeat for the second leg. Our next step is to attach the front bar to the front of the desk. Repeat for the second leg. Our next step is to attach the motor to the driving rod. Which then attaches to the desk. Now the driving rod is secured, make sure that the 2 small black screws are screwed in the sides to secure it into place. Now repeat with the right hand side. Our next step is to attach the right and left bracket to the right and left leg. This can be done via the 4 screws. Now we're going to repeat this for the left leg. Once the brackets are in place, our next task is to attach the motor via the 2 big screws to the bracket. Our next job is to connect the electrics. So it comes in 3 different parts. We have the switch, the power pack, and the plug. Attach the plug to the power pack as shown, and then attach the switch to the pack. We're then going to feed it through behind the desk so the wires are nice out of the way. So the next part, we're going to raise the height of the desk so we can place the top on it. The desk can be raised by the switch, pressing the upward button. The desk has now reached its optimum height and we're ready to put the top on. The desktop is quite large and heavy, so it may be worth seeking assistance with this part. All of the bars are telescopic, so you may need to adjust them to line the desk up. Once the 4 screws are tightened on the edge, move into the middle where you attach your final screw. Once you've tightened the middle screw, make sure that all the screws from the crossbars are tightened and secure. So the holes down here, here, up here and towards the back. Our next step is to put the plastic caps at the legs at the back. Once the caps are on, we can now focus on assembling the switch. Next thing we need to do is attach the metal bracket to the back of the desk to store the power block. The final thing we need to do is tie up all the loose cables with the brackets and cable ties provided. Now your desk is ready for use.